Welcome! If you've ever archived a chat on Telegram and now want to bring it back to your main chat list, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated and easiest way to unarchive chats on Telegram, so you can quickly restore any conversation you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Now, scroll all the way to the top of your chat list. Once you reach the top, swipe down just a little bit more. This action will reveal the archived chats folder, which might have been hidden from view if you haven't accessed it in a while. Tap on the archived chats folder to open it. Here, you'll see all the conversations you've previously archived. Take a moment to find the specific chat you want to unarchive. Once you've located the chat, long press on it. Just hold your finger down until it's selected. After that, look for the three dots icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to open a menu of options. From the menu, select Unarchive. Instantly, your chat will move out of the archived folder and return to your main chat list, just like any other active conversation. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily unarchive any chat on Telegram and keep your conversations organized just the way you like. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a quick Telegram tip. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.